My name is Jeff. I was in the market for renovating master bath, which is pretty old. It's not my first time doing remodels. We had about 6 or 7 remodelers that we've used in the past, and we never found anybody that could ever come through on their promises. Forte, I found them online. They seem to get pretty decent reviews, so I invited them over to take a look and see what they thought. The price was competitive. Certainly I had to wait in line because apparently lots of others wanted to use them, and over the course of a couple of months we ordered all the materials. We had them sitting in our garage ready to go, and everything arrived before they had started, and they started pretty much when they said they would. They had a team here every single day, Monday through Saturday, exactly when they said they would show up, about between 8:30 and 9 every day, and they would work all day long, and they would be working just on my project. So that was really important to us because we had in prior contractors were schedules that you couldn't rely on, and sometimes they'd be there and sometimes they wouldn't. But they were here every day, working full days until the job was done. We pretty much demoed the whole bathroom, took it down to the studs, took it down to the subflooring, replaced some of the subflooring, put in new HVAC, new light switches, new lighting everywhere, new vanities, new shower, new bathtub, new toilet, new paint, heated floor, tiling. We had a few change requests along the way, and each change request was handled how I like to see change requests, which is we do a written proposal with the pricing, and we figure out how much time that's going to add, how much money that's going to add. I sign off on it, it's paid for, and the change order becomes part of the contract. It was well controlled and well managed throughout. We are very picky when it comes to finishes, and we were very surprised at the very end that when it was time to create a punch list, I think we had maybe 4 or 5 minor items to cite, as opposed to the 2 or 3 page laundry list of defects that we usually find. So they had good quality up front, so there was really not much to take care of at the end there. Now, we're really happy with them and plan to be using them again in the future.